Ooh, what do we have here? Another video. What's up, guys? Here's a quick tip for you. Okay, I'm about to drill a hole in this piece of wood. I already did these right here. So, as you can see, that it's a long piece of board, and you want the hole to go in straight. So, I have a problem here. You know that there's no gap here at that very end, hardly no gap, just very little, and then it gets bigger right there. So the way to fix that, what I use to fix that, check it out. It is a car jack, and what I do is I turn this. It raises the wood up. See how it's raising it up? So let me turn it back down, and I'm going to raise it again, and watch what happens when I turn it. Okay, put that right there, and I'm turning it right now. When the gap disappears, it is nice and flat. Wait for it. And the gap should disappear anytime now. Should be nice and even. Now if you notice that the gap is opening up more on the left side like it is right now, right there, let's bring it back down. I can close off right around, say about there. Let's see. Yeah, right there. I'm just pushing it down a tiny bit because it looked like the wood is a little bit warped out. So there you go. It's nice and flat. So that's what you do, guys. If you want to, you have a long piece of board like this, get a car jack. This is a spare one that I have. I added a little handle to it to turn it, and let the car jack support your long piece of wood if you want to drill a hole using your drill press. I know you can use a regular drill driver, you know, and you can use one of these. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. You can use one of these to drill a hole. It'll be straight up and down, but if you want to use a drill press, and plus a drill press is much quieter than one of those drill drivers. So, and there you go, guys. And that's how I drill holes in long materials using a car jack. What a mess I have on my workbench. There you go. Later, guys. Thanks for watching.